Hey there, Blooket fans! If you're looking to enhance your Blooket experience, we've got a simple guide for you. In this video, we'll show you how to use Blooket hacks to level up your gameplay. Let's dive right in. Now for step 1, we need to open the GitHub website. To get started, open your browser and head to the GitHub website. This is where you'll find the necessary script to unlock those Blooket hacks. Now we over here at our GitHub. And for step 2, we need to search for Blooket on GitHub. Once you're on GitHub, use the search bar to look for Blooket. Look for a repository called the Real Gliz. Now we have the Real Gliz right here. And for step 3, we need to copy the script. In the Real Gliz repository, locate the file named goi.js. This is the script that will give you access to the hacks. Click on the file to open it, then copy the entire script. Now let's open it. This is it right here. Then let's click copy raw file. Now for step 4, we need to create a bookmark for Blooket. Now head over to the Blooket website. Once you're there, find the bookmark icon in your web browser and click on it. Now let's click bookmark and proceed to step 5, which is to edit the bookmark URL. In the bookmark menu, look for an option to edit the bookmark. Change the URL to JavaScript, followed by space, and then paste the script you copied from the GUI.js file. Now we click on more, then you see the URL here. Let's change it to JavaScript. That, and paste. Then click. Now for step 6, we need to click save and apply. After pasting the script, make sure to save the bookmark. This step is crucial for activating the hacks. Then click save. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate Blooket hacks and change your gaming experience to the next level. Remember, using hacks in games might change the way you play, so use them responsibly and have fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Happy gaming and enjoy your Blooket adventures.